Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and lowering the needle so you can safely work. This reduces tension and prevents pinching. Remove the bobbin and clean lint. Dust blocks smooth thread flow. Once done, inspect the upper thread path from spool to tension discs for caught fibers or a misrouted thread. If you find an obstruction, gently pull the thread free and reseat it correctly. This first set of actions removes the most common causes of down thread, without wasting time on needless steps. Next, you rethread the machine from spool to needle, making sure the thread actually seats between the tension discs. You'll feel a slight resistance when done correctly. Replace the bobbin into the case so the thread feeds clockwise and through the bobbin tension if present. Once threaded, set tension to the manufacturer's neutral mark or a middle setting, then stitch on scrap fabric to observe stitch formation. Small tension tweaks will balance top and bottom thread interaction and stop thread looping beneath fabric. Finish by verifying the needle condition. A bent or dull needle causes skipped stitches and down thread. Make sure the presser foot pressure matches fabric thickness and feed dogs are engaged so fabric moves evenly. Stitch a few test lines. If looping or down thread remains, shut off, reclean the bobbin housing and tension discs, then rethread slowly step by step. If that still fails, consult the manual for machine-specific tension adjustments or contact service. Often one targeted change fixes persistent down thread issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.